Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to block any USB pendrive or external hard disks in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser, and in the Google search you need to search this application name as USB Disabler by Witshop. Just search this application. And once you search this application, you can see on the first list its official website. So just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So just scroll down below. Now you can see download options on various websites. So you can click on the first website link to download this software. So you can see here, download now. Just click on download now. Can click here. Now click on save. Now the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's been downloaded and let me close the web browser. So just double left click it to extract the file. So now you can see here one folder name is USB developer. Just open it. Now you can see here there is 3 different files. So in the third you can see the application. So to run this application, just right click it and select your run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you can see option. Just click on here. Now here you can see normal, read only and disable. So the normal one is that it will work as like default. Suppose if I insert now USB pendrive, then it will start working, and if I click on disable, then it will disable the USB pendrive. So select the disable and you can see here save option. Just click on it. So it's saying you need our administrator permission. So what you can do, just once again just right click on that application, run as administrator, click yes. Now click on save. Now you can see here a message successful, try remove and reinsert the USB pendrive. So let me insert my USB pendrive now. So I have inserted my USB pendrive. So let's find out by going to this PC whether my pendrive is detected or not. So you can see there is no any USB pendrive showing here on my this PC. So let's run this USB disabler again, and we'll just try to select the normal to check if it can enable or not, and click on save. And it's saying that please remove and reinsert the USB drive. So we have moved back to normal. So let us check if it is not disabled anymore. So let me eject my USB pendrive from my computer, and now I'm inserting back my USB pendrive. So you can see directly it's being detecting my USB pendrive. Now you can see here a new volume, that is my USB pendrive. So you can see here. So using this cool free of cost software named as USB Disabler by the developer named Witshop, you can easily disable any USB pendrive or external hard disks in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.